Never use ChatGPT for this ever again. Hey, I'm Henry. I'm from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. I said in the intro, never use ChatGPT for this again. Now what is this exactly? Well, this exactly happens to be rewriting private label right content. Now I'm not going to be going into ChatGPT or Deep AI, but I will be going in to Microsoft Office directly. And we're going to be editing private label rights using Microsoft Office straight from the source. How do we do that? Well, what we need to do is just highlight over something. If you look over here to the left, you'll see we now have Copilot incorporated into Microsoft Office Word. All I have to do is click on that, hit auto rewrite, and in a moment, your overview of faceless marketing, and we can just replace it with that. Now with this heading just there, we can now highlight over the top of that, have it rewrite it for us, auto rewrite. And it says anonymous branding concepts and benefits, replace that. And then we can also go across here and do the same chapter or paragraph by paragraph. It really is as simple as that. Now the reason I don't do the whole lot in one fell swoop, let me show you. The reason I don't do the whole lot is because the formatting is a little bit funky. I'll show you what it's like right here, right now. I'm just going to go like that. Go auto rewrite. Now what it's going to do is it's going to rewrite the whole thing up. And if you don't mind spending a few minutes reformatting it and getting it to the way you want it, that's fine. It's going to be a quick process regardless. You go like that. And if you notice, that's now bolded text. If you go Control B, you can take away the bolding from that. And you just have to find where all the bolding finishes. Go Control B. And you can just replace all that if you wish to. Now, I'm kind of would rather not have to go through all that if I can avoid it myself. Because I'm a little bit lazy in that area. So let me just go here. Having to try and find it all and going Control B. It's just, yeah, a little bit harder than I want to go. And then we can just go like that. And we can just remove all of this here to give you something that's going to be a little bit nicer looking. Something that's going to give you, it's going to make it look a little bit more professional. There we go. As you can see, that's looking a lot better. But with all that extra text, it's going to take a while for me to do this. So if I just go Control Z and bring this back to where it was. There we are. Go Control Z. There we are. Now what I would do normally in this particular case is just go paragraph by paragraph. Instead of having to change the whole lot there. What is faceless marketing? Just do it paragraph by paragraph. And it just saves a lot of hassles. Okay. Probably not enough wording for that, so go there. Go here. Auto rewrite. And it'll just rewrite the whole thing for you. It's way easier than having to try and come up with the content yourself. Once again, just highlight over the top of that. Auto rewrite that. Hit that. And then you just do it paragraph by paragraph. And you can literally get through this in less than an hour and you'll have an entirely rewritten new ebook. Now, can this also create images for you? No, it itself cannot do that inside of Microsoft Office, which is a bit of a shame, but it is what it is. However, what it can do is you can go over here to Copilot and it can create an image for you. As you can see, I've got two really nice images just here. And with this, all you have to do is just download that. And you can download it anywhere you want. I'm going to download this to my desktop. And I'm just going to Sorry about this. Get rid of some of this information over here. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'll bring it over here. That was way too long. I'm going to put it on my desktop to make it easier to find. There we are. Now I'm just going to bring that up very quickly and we'll be right back. All right, so this is the image that I would probably want to use. And if I wanted to say, for example, put that onto my actual ebook, and I could just, even though this has got nothing alike, even though it's not meaning what it's actually about, you can then place that right here. Now, obviously, that's not about faceless marketing or anything like that. But let's say, for example, I want to create something about faceless marketing. I'm going to have right here a faceless robot looking at the camera. Okay, and all we have to do is hit this, and it literally only takes a few minutes to create this. No longer than what it would for 𝗬𝗏 or anything like that. And I find this is a really, really powerful way of doing it and extremely well done. There we are. You have a faceless one, and you can then download that to where you want and add that, and you can then start adding this image directly to here, and then you can change it. So I'm just going to go here, get rid of that, and let's go grab that humanoid robot. Even though it's not going to be the same thing, we're just going to bring it over here, pop it in there. Now I'm going to right click on this or click on this section just here, but if I right click on it, I go down here to word wrap, go down here to in front of text. Then all I have to do is just drag that up to the top corner and then drag this down. Make sure that it covers the entire thing. You want to make sure it covers the entire page. So you want to go grab that corner, drag it down, and then move it to where you want it. Maybe drag it across to here so you can see PLR on the screen. And that's it. Now all you want to do, go here to insert, go here to shapes, add this, go there, change the color, going down to here to more fill, going over here to custom, and we can now make the transparency about 50%, give or take, hit OK, and as you can see, it looks a lot more professional. Go here to no outline, go get rid of that, and then you can just write some text in here. You can put whatever you like in here. In fact, I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to just get rid of everything here, and we'll put the old one back in here again. There we are. And that's literally all you really need to do. So go through here paragraph by paragraph. If you want to, if you feel lazy and you want to just do the whole lot, you can just copy the whole thing and do that, and then just go through and just leave it bolden if you wish to. I prefer not to have it boldened. I'd rather not have to fiddle around with the formatting if I can avoid it, and just do it paragraph by paragraph. It'll be a lot faster, and within an hour you can have the entire ebook completely rewritten, 100% unique to you, and then you can sell it on places like Amazon KDP. And because as long as you don't add a PLR license to it and it's completely rewritten and all the images are different, all the headings and titles and everything are all different, you've also got a completely different, if you go over here, you got your table of contents, which is completely different as well. You can then sell that on Amazon KDP or anywhere else. In fact, just don't sell it as PLR. So that is what you would have to do using Copilot, built into Microsoft Office Word. Not everybody's aware that Copilot is now built into it, but there you have it. It is now as easy as anything. Now, you do need to, unfortunately, be a paid member of Microsoft Office. And you can't do it on the ones that are pre-built into your computer. If you have an older computer with the pre-built-in Microsoft Office Word, that won't work. Unfortunately, it does need to be Microsoft Office 365, which is the paid version. And I, of course, have the paid version. I absolutely need it, especially for my business. And I won't go without it because it really is that important to me. But now that they've got this is a game changer. You don't even have to leave the page to edit the content anymore. All right, guys. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, I want to consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of Copilot built in to Microsoft Office Word. Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. Right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you will be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.